Time check, 12:16 p.m. Tuesday. Oh my goodness. So, ayun na si Dad. Ay, dali aragod. Nalamig pick up after a forever faux date. Yaya needs it kasi, ay nako, Madam Sir. Kagahapon na-cancel ato ang PIF GCash. Morning unta ko, but then naglakaw me. Tapos, mauna to siya. Pagagabi, grabe akong atake kagabi pag uli na mo. So anyway, I'm taking some medicine. Good luck, yaya ka lang. Ako akong siyang gipang search sa yung mga isa ra yung active ingredient, which is not really bad. Pero di siya ingon nga medicine nga makaulian sa mo, maka-prevent lang ni siya. But it's only good for 1 to 3 hours.
No.
It says.
No. It's when it starts to work, effectiveness. It's good for 8 hours.
But why I feel like, mura bit ako floating. Hello. I'm high lagi. And daddy taking advantage of my kuan.
Aloneness.
So, ulit na ta. Ulit na ta sa bukid. So, grabe kaysa nga tanan akong allergy kagapon. Mura kong guwati. As in, mura na ko, ay nako, yaya ka lang. Gunting nga kay lupa ta. Piling sige siya kana sa tagi. Early this morning, I caught him like searching. I
was dreaming.
Kanang lang plane tickets.
He's studying ba? You have to study so you know what's up.
Study ka aron. Dito ka afford, maski ka sa Florida, dito ka afford. Ay nako.
Can't afford Florida. How much more Greece or Philippines?
Ano mo gani?
Ouch.
We have to be patient and work our hard. What's work our hard?
Well, work
hard.
Hard out. You know.
We have to do it in a right way this time. Dito magpataka ka, ay nako, nagkamahal ang mga palitonon. Kailangan we have to PO tang, save for tickets, and eat healthy.
Healthy.
Kaya para makasave po ta for PIF.
That's
the goal.
See that grass?
Wow, very
That's how you
nice.
cut grass.
Kuha na siya, grabe na siya ka-pro.
You're lined up.
Kuha, ala, nice. Kailang pagkat silang grass, oh. Oh, dili kay like wiggly.
Nope, don't make it wiggle. You gotta go back and line it up.
That's a pro cutting grass over there. In short, no laag for today's video.